Hello friends, this is the Wipro assessment problem. The problem is given as, of the given 5 numbers, how many are even? Here we have to write a function that accepts 5 input parameters and it will returns the count of how many of those 5 are even. For example, if the 5 input parameters are 12, 17, 19, 14 and 115, here we can see that there are 2 even numbers, 12 and 14. So the function must return 2. Similarly, if the 5 input parameters are 15, 0, minus 12, 19 and 28, here we can see that there are 3 even numbers, 0, minus 12 and 28. So the function must return 3. Here 0 is also considered as an even number. We will solve this problem in Dev C++ application. Let's open. Here Dev C++ has been opened. Now press Ctrl N for new tab. At first we will include the header file, which is #include stdio.h. After that we will declare the user defined function with 5 formal arguments named as count events, int input 1, input 2, input 3, input 4 and int input 5. After that, according to the question, we have to count the number of even numbers. So at first we will initialize the count variable to 0 and now check for even numbers. Input 1 modulus 2 equal to 0. Then we will increment the count variable to +1 and let's copy it 4 times more. Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Now change the input variable name, input 2, input 3, input 4 and input 5, and after that it will return count. Now let's write main function, int main, and declare the 5 input variable, int n1, n2, n3, n4 and n5, and take the input from the user, printf, enter 5 numbers, and read numbers from keyboard, scanf, %d, 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 %d 5 times, and %n1, %n2, %n3, %n4 and %n5. After that we have to call the function printf %d, write the function name here and pass the input variable n1, n2, n3, n4 and n5. Get ch. By pressing Ctrl S, we will save the program named as countevents.c. Select all files and save. Let's execute. Now by pressing Ctrl S, we have to save the program and let's execute. Compile and run. Let's input as any 5 numbers. Let's 12, 24, 23, 45 and 67. Here we can see that 12 and 24 are two even numbers. Here the function should return 2. Let's check. Here it returns 2. So our program is right. Let's check for another inputs. Here we will give the -12, 23, 13, 0 and 2. Here we can see that -12, 0 and 2 are even numbers. So the function should return 3. Here we can see that the function has written 3. So our program is right. Please do like and share this video if you like it, and subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.